DealerTrack Aftermarket Network increases profitability, accuracy, and efficiency for the dealership. Hi, my name is Dhaval Chokshi. I'm the business manager here at Dixie Chrysler. We've been a Chrysler store for over 20 years under the same management, and I've been working here for over 12 years with about over 8 years experience in business office. Car business has changed significantly over the years. Buyers are becoming more and more aware about the choices and options they have. This has made it more important to close the deal and have a very short around time. Regulatory changes have also made a lot of impact on the way business has been done. DealerTrack Aftermarket Network has integrated most of business office functions under one umbrella, right from submitting a credit application, adding aftermarket products, and generating remittance statements. Everything can be done under one login. This has taken the ease of doing business to the next level. Before the aftermarket network, we were using the price list provided by the vendors, and using the aftermarket network had made it very easy and error-free. It looks more professional when you add aftermarket products by clicking on the screen instead of going through the price list and figuring out what products are eligible. I would recommend DealerTrack Aftermarket Network very strongly to other dealers. Eventually, I think this will become the modus operandi. The sooner you start using this, the better you can capitalize on it. Using the preferences under the aftermarket network, I can present my products very profitably, and the system helps me generate accurate documents, select the right products without any eligibility issues, and generate right remittance statements. This has made the business operation very profitable and error-free. With the price competition getting stiffer and the front-end profitability shrinking, the profit focus has turned over to F&I office. Having a comprehensive F&I policy and updating it on regular basis has become a key to the success in this business. The DealerTrack Aftermarket Network gives me a lot of flexibility in terms of changing options and, for example, going from a 7-day retroactive period to quoting a 30-day elimination period without having any errors. It also has its own validations, which, for example, if the customer doesn't qualify for a particular coverage because of the age, the aftermarket network will not show me that option is available on the screen. So this eliminates a lot of possibilities of errors. Even when offering service contracts to customers, the list that populates in the aftermarket network is only the one that is eligible for that particular vehicle, depending upon the mileage and the age. So again, the chances of selecting a wrong plan and having it change over the customer are not there. This is a lot of accuracy and ease of doing business for any F&I manager. DealerTrack Aftermarket Network helps in improving profitability, efficiency, and accuracy in business office.